Hey beautiful people, thanks for tuning in. I'm just going to show you how I apply my lashes. I'm using the Revlon Precision Dark Glue, and I like this one because it dries fast and it lasts a long time. So now I'm just applying a thin layer. These are my mink lashes, by the way. Just applying a thin layer, make sure it's even. I'm going to let that dry for a couple of seconds. That's very important. Now I start by applying to the middle. Now I do the ends, so the inner corner, then the outer corner. And it's so important just to get that base down first. And now I'm just meshing my lashes to the false lashes, making sure everything is aligned, nothing is poking or where it's not supposed to be. And it took me a while to get to this point, guys, but trust me, you keep practicing, you'll get it. So yeah, I mean, just follow these tips and tricks. I hope this helps you, and stay beautiful.